We thought we were just staying home for a few weeks, but for Gen Z, the world changed forever.
More than 200 colleges and universities are canceling in-person classes.
What started as a public health crisis became a silent epidemic of disconnection. Between 2020 and 2022, Gen Z came of age not in crowded hallways or on sports fields, but behind screens. Milestones missed, memories skipped, human interaction reduced down to pixels. While we were told we were safe at home, something invisible was being lost. Confidence, communication, networking, connection, goal setting. They're the skills that shape identity and opportunity. But in the silence of lockdown, many people stopped practicing them altogether. And now as the world returns to normal, an entire generation is struggling to catch up. In a hyper-connected world, Gen Z is the most digitally fluent and yet, ironically, the most socially disconnected. We know how to post, but we struggle to pitch. We can record a TikTok, but we can't hold eye contact in an interview. And it's not our fault, but it is our future. That's why we created Ignite Gen Z, a free movement built to restore what was lost and light up what's next. Through in-person events, real conversations, coaching, mentorship, and hands-on leadership skills, we're equipping Gen Z to relearn what the pandemic disrupted. We're helping young people build courage, speak clearly, network boldly, and dream intentionally. So if you're part of Gen Z, this is your time to rise, to rebuild not just skills, but belief in yourself. And if you're a parent or an educator or a leader, this is your invitation to join us too, because this movement isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about starting a fire. The world paused, but your future won't wait. Let's restore the human skills Gen Z needs to thrive. Let's ignite Gen Z.